Gary Roberts in trouble with the old bill.
Yet again.
Copper Knob on the right is being a wanker. This is the fit lady, Lady Old Bill. And there's Gary Roberts in the middle, getting his ass raped.
Again.
Old Bill are cunters. Jay is in the back of the car waiting. Bernie. As he reappears, he has a big smile on his face. He is obviously anal probed Gary Roberts. Oh dear, he's got a bit of jism on his chin. And a bit of ginger round his mouth. He's just at it hard. Copper Knob cannot go anywhere because there is still a Cavalier in the way.
Freezing!